أنا من يوم صغيرة كنت دائما أقول يعني بلادي بتوصل مو مجرد نحن يعني مثل ما الناس كانوا للبلاد الثانية كانت تنظر بأن نحن أهل صحراء استوينا على الحمد لله أهل الفضاء.
So it's been a huge experience. It's really been very, very great. I've done about, if I'm not mistaken, about 172 countries. I wanted to do all 192. I don't think I'll be able to do it because it's the last day. So I feel a little sad. Nonetheless, I've walked a lot. I've never walked that much in my life, even when I was younger.
Definitely brought a lot of people together. I think it's opened a lot of eyes in terms of different countries, cultures, and especially because of the pandemic, like it's really good to see how people come out, like take the time out, that's what I would say. And I think it's just given a boost of morale. Everyone's a bit more happier. I feel like everyone is just willing to get together, you know, because of the pandemic.